The National Council of Educational Research and Training acknowledges the valuable contribution of the individuals and organizations involved in the development of physics textbooks for class 11th. The Council also acknowledges the valuable contribution of the following academics for reviewing and refining the manuscripts of this book: Deepak Kumar, Professor, School of Physical Science, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi; Pankaj Saran, Professor, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi; Ajay Ghatak, Emeritus Professor, IIT New Delhi; V. Sundara Raja, Professor, Sri Venkateshwar University, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh; C.S. Agnavkar, Reader, Retired Institute of Science, Nagpur, Maharashtra; D.A. Desai, Lecturer, Retired, Imperial College of Mumbai, Maharashtra; F.I. Survey, Lecturer, Narosi Wadia College, Pune, Maharashtra; Atul Modi, Lecturer, S.G. V.S. College of Arts, Science and Maharashtra; Atul Modi, Lecturer, S.G. V.S. College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Chambur, Mumbai, Maharashtra; A.K. Das, PGT, St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Delhi; Suresh Kumar, PGT, Delhi Public School, Dwarika, New Delhi; Yushu Kumar, PGT, Kulachi Hansraj Model School, Ashok Vihar, Delhi; K.S. Upadhyay, PGT, जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय, मुजफ्फरनगर, यूपी, दिल्ली; के.एस. उपाध्याय, पीजीटी, जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय, मुजफ्फरनगर, यूपी; आई.के. गोगिया, पीजीटी, केंद्रीय विद्यालय, गोल मार्केट, न्यू दिल्ली; विजय शर्मा, आई.के. गोगिया, पीजीटी, केंद्रीय विद्यालय, गोल मार्केट, न्यू दिल्ली; विजय शर्मा, पीजीटी, वसंत वैली स्कूल, वसंत कुंज, न्यू दिल्ली; आर.एस. दास, वाइस प्रिंसिपल, रिटायर्ड बलवंत रे मेहता विद्या भवन, लाजपत नगर, न्यू दिल्ली; एंड पथस्ती पनीगरही, पीजीटी, डीवी, CLW गर्ल्स स्कूल, चितरंजन, वेस्ट बंगाल. The council also grateful acknowledges the valuable contribution of the following academics for the editing and finalization of this book: A.S. Mahajan, Professor, Retired, IIT Mumbai, Maharashtra; D.A. Desai, Lecturer, Retired, Imperial College, Mumbai, Maharashtra; Y.H. Rebacker, Reader, Naurozji Wadia College, Pune, Maharashtra; and Atul Modi, Lecturer, S.G. V.S. College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Chambur, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The council also acknowledges the valuable contributions of the following academics for reviewing and refining the textbooks in 2017: A.K. Srivastava, DESM, NCERT, New Delhi; Arnab Sen, NERIE, New Delhi; L.S. Chauhan, RTE, Bhopal; O.N. Avasthi, Retired, RIE, Bhopal; Rachna Garg, DESM, NCERT, New Delhi; Raman Nambudiri, RIE, Mysore; R.R. Koiring, DCS, NCERT, New Delhi; Shashi Prabha, DESM, NCERT, New Delhi; N.S.M. Sharma, RIE, Ajmer. Special thanks are due to M. Chandra, Professor and Head, DESM, NCERT, for her support. The council also acknowledges the efforts of Deepak Kapoor, in charge, Computer Station; Inder Kumar, DTP Operator; Saraswati Banerjee, Copy Editor; Abhimanyu Mohanty and Anuradha, proofreaders, in shaping this book. The contribution of the publication department in bringing out this are also duly acknowledged. More than a decade ago, based on a national policy of education, National Council of Educational Research and Training published physics textbooks for class 11th and 12th, prepared under the chairmanship of Professor T.V. Ramakrishnan, FRS, with the help of a team of learned co-authors. The books were all well received by the teachers and students alike. The books, in fact, proved to be milestones and trendsetters. However, the development of textbooks, particularly science books, is a dynamic process in a view of the changing perceptions, needs, feedback, and the experiences of the students, educators, and the society. Another version of the physics book, which was the result of the revised syllabus based on the National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2000, NCFSC 2000, was brought out under the guidance of Professor Suresh Chandra, which continued up to now. Recently, the NCRT brought out the National Curriculum Framework 2005, and the syllabus was accordingly revised during a curriculum renewal process at the school level. The higher secondary stage syllabus has been developed accordingly. The class 11 textbook contains the 15 chapters in two parts. Part 1 contains the first 8 chapters, while part 2 contains next 7 chapters. This book is result of the renewed efforts of the present textbook development team, with the hope that the students will appreciate the beauty and logic of physics. The students may or may not continue to study physics beyond the higher secondary stage, but we feel that they will not find the thought process of the physics useful in any other branch they may like to pursue, be it finance, administration, social science, environment, engineering, technology, biology, or medicine. For those who pursue physics beyond this stage, the method developed in these books will certainly provide a